Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video students, I'm gonna quick revise about the whole explanation of BRS, that is bank reconciliation statement. By watching this video, you can absolutely score 16 marks in your final examination. That is for long 12 marks pakka question, and for short also they will ask a problematic of 4 marks. Okay, so everything in detail I have discussed in this video. If you don't know anything about the BRS, also you can easily get to know. And but only one thing, you should not skip the video and watch till end, then only you will easily understand whatever I am saying. Okay, so let's get into the video students. So, students, bank reconciliation statement. So, why it is prepared, everything we will discuss like a quick revision. I don't want to give the explanation of the why bank reconciliation is prepared, what is the purpose of that preparation, everything I will not at all tell. What is important to your examination, that I will tell to you students. Okay, so whatever the thing I am saying, so that like that only you will get the questions. Okay, don't get confused. And I am not professional at teaching the accounts, because even last year only I have finished my graduation, so I can't be that much fluent. So whatever know, that I am saying, if you are understanding my explanation video, means it is a great thing. Okay, so many of you were requested for the bank reconciliation statement. Okay, so by watching this full video, you will easily get 12 marks, because 12 marks pakka question they will ask in the part B, and 4 marks question also they will ask in part A. Total 16 marks weightage you can score by watching this one video. Okay, so don't skip the video and watch till that, then only you will easily get to understand thing. Okay, so why bank reconciliation statement is prepared means, passbook balance, cash book balance will be there. Just we need to balance that. Reconcile means balancing that passbook and cash book. Okay students, so for that purpose we will prepare BRS. Okay, cash book will be with our side, passbook will be with bank side. Okay, so cash book మన దగ్గర ఉంటుంది, పాస్బుక్ అనేది బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. ఓకేనా స్టూడెంట్స్? సో నెక్స్ట్ ఏంటి అని అంటే, ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ క్యాష్ బుక్. Okay, so in cash book we have deposited the check which is worth of 5,000. We have entered in our cash book. Okay, so while we are depositing the checks into bank, in passbook it should be like credited, no? So it should be entered, but here there is no payment. Cash book balance is increasing, passbook balance is decreasing. Okay, so it is not at all having any balance payment, right? If we are depositing some amount into bank, means it should be a equal amount, but here we are not having that 5,000. Then we will prepare BRS to find this 5,000, to balance this 5,000. Whether it is a cash book or a passbook, we should equally equalize the both the cash book and passbook. Okay students, next, this is the bank reconciliation statement. మీకు ఈ చాప్టర్ అర్థం కావాలి అని అంటే, వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ మీన్స్, యూ నీడ్ టు రిమెంబర్ క్యాష్ బుక్ అండ్ పాస్బుక్. ఓకే, సో ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దిస్ టూ మీన్స్ whole chapter you will get. Okay, just you need to remember this two. Okay, what is that two? Cash book will be with our side, పాస్బుక్ అనేది బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. పాస్బుక్ విల్ బీ విత్ బ్యాంక్ సైడ్, బ్యాంక్ హోల్డర్స్. ఓకే, సో బ్యాంక్. సో క్యాష్ బుక్ డెబిట్ సైడ్, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద అమౌంట్స్ we will receive, receipts. Okay, we are getting check, receipt. We are getting cash, receipt. So cash book debit side we will enter. If we are issuing any check to others, if I am giving 1,000 rupees check to you, so my cash book balance is a payment side, because I am giving check to some people, because that type of entries will be written in the cash book credit side. Okay, receipts will be debited in the cash book, payments will be credited in the cash book. Okay, and in passbook debit side, all the withdrawals, or else expenses or else bank charges will be written on the passbook debit side. For example, uh, withdrawed cash of rupees 1000 rupees, like this they have given transaction means you need to that enter the transaction into here. Okay, so deposited, you have given the deposited here, bank should be get the deposited amount here, right? మీరు అకౌంట్లో అమౌంట్ చెక్స్ అనేది డిపాజిట్ చేస్తున్నారు అని అంటే మీరు మీ బుక్లో డెబిట్ సైడ్ రాసుకుంటారు. నేను 1000 రూపీస్ చెక్ బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళకి పెట్టాను అని చెప్పేసి, ఇక్కడ డెబిట్ అయినప్పుడు పాస్బుక్లో క్రెడిట్ అవ్వాలి కదండి. సో once we are giving the checks to bank people means we will enter that in our debit side in our book and credit side in our passbook, but sometimes cash passbook will not have that amount. So to balance that amount only we will prepare BRS. Okay, so cash book debit side receipt, cash book credit side payments, passbook debit side withdrawals and expenses, passbook credit side deposits. ఓకే, ఇంతే. సో మనము చెక్స్ ఇష్యూ చేస్తున్నామంటే మన బుక్లో మనం డెబిట్ సైడ్ రాసుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ డెబిట్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ క్రెడిట్ కావాలి కదా, ఇక్కడ అవ్వలేదంట. సో వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు డూ అనేది ఈ లెసన్లో మీరు నేర్చుకోవడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకేనా, బ్యాంక్ రికన్సిలేషన్ స్టేట్మెంట్. ఐ హోప్ దట్ యూ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ద క్లారిటీ అబౌట్ ది ఇంట్రొడక్షన్. జస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు బి పర్ఫెక్ట్ విత్ దిస్ cash book and passbook. You need to get remember, if we are issuing any checks means where we should enter cash book credit side. Okay, if we are depositing the receipts, depositing the checks means in our book we will write receipt sides. Okay, so this is the thing you need to remember it, students. Okay, then what will be the proforma? Okay, this is the proforma, students. Particulars, amount, bank reconciliation statement. Okay, particulars, amount. Here inner amount for calculation purpose we will write here. Outer column we will enter the direct amounts. Okay, particulars, amount. This is the proforma. Okay, next, what are the things you will get in a add side or plus side or minus side? So this is the proforma as I have said. So just I am zooming in. For example, balance as per cash book, we need to enter that amount in a outer column, direct outer column we need to enter here. Okay, after that plus or minus, we need to keep plus or minus like this. 1 minute. So I am here I am giving some small space, and here I am writing plus symbol, means whatever the amounts we are having we need to plus here, and whatever the minus amounts we will get we will need to minus here. Okay, this is the proforma. Add, less, inkoti. Next, what you remember means if they have given cash book balance means you need to be concentrate on passbook. If they have given passbook balance means you need to take care, you need to concentrate on the cash book. Okay, so here if they have given cash book balances means we should give priority to our passbook. If passbook is increasing means we need to add that amount in the addition column. If passbook is decreasing means we need to deduct that amount in a less column we need to write here. Okay, so మనకి ఒకవేళ క్యాష్ బుక్ అమౌంట్ ఇస్తేనేమో పాస్బుక్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే ఇంక్రీజ్, డిక్రీజ్ అయితే డిక్రీజ్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఒకవేళ పాస్బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఇస్తే క్యాష్ బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ని చూసుకోవాలి. క్యాష్ బుక్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుందా, క్యాష్ బుక్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే ప్లస్ సైడ్ వేసుకోవాలి, డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మైనస్ సైడ్ వేసుకోవాలి. దాట్ సింపుల్. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద థింగ్. నౌ we will discuss some more important questions. So what is that means? In addition, what are the things you need to write here? Checks issued బట్ నాట్ yet presented ఫర్ పేమెంట్. అలాంటప్పుడు మనం ఎక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి అమౌంట్? అడిషన్ కాలంలో వేసుకోవాలి. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ allowed by the bank, where we need to enter that in a addition thing. Okay, we need to not deduct that. Okay, next, interest and dividend collected by the bank. Okay, so by the bank interest and dividend are they collecting. Okay, so then we need to add. Next, direct payments into the bank by a customer. Directly customer is paying the amount into the bank, then we need to add that. Next, bills collected by the bank on the behalf of a customer. This type of things, if they have all given, means you need to simple add that amount in the add column. Next, wrong entry on the credit side of passbook. Okay, so in the credit side of passbook, it is a wrong entry, it seems. Okay, next, less sides, checks paid into bank but not yet cleared, interest and expenses charged by the bank, direct payment by the bank, dishonor of a bill, discounted with the bank, checks debited in cash book but forgot to send into bank, wrong entry on the debit side of passbook. So like this you need to enter it. Okay, this type of questions if you are finding, means you need to add or else you need to less, minus. Okay, so just you remember this. Okay, and now we will discuss the important basic problem. By this you will easily get to know. Okay, so students, illustration 1, just see this question. From the following details, prepare a bank reconciliation statement of Mr. Kakatiya Fertilizers as on 31st December 2018. Okay, so balance as per cash book they have given. Then we need to follow the passbook. ఓకే, సో క్యాష్ బుక్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనము పాస్బుక్ని ప్రయారిటీ చేసుకోవాలి. పాస్బుక్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయితే యాడ్ కార్డ్ వేసుకోవాలి, పాస్బుక్ డిక్రీజ్ అయితే మైనస్ కార్డ్ వేసుకోవాలి. బికాస్ హియర్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ క్యాష్ బుక్. ఇఫ్ దే హ్యావ్ గివెన్ పాస్బుక్ మీన్స్ దెన్ వీ నీడ్ టు టేక్ అ ప్రయారిటీ ఆఫ్ ది క్యాష్ బుక్. ఓకే, సో ఫస్ట్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద ప్రొఫార్మా. ఫస్ట్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఏముంది? బ్యాలెన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ క్యాష్ బుక్, రైట్? సో ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను. ఫస్ట్ మనము అదే ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ అనేది రాయాలి. బ్యాలెన్స్ యాజ్ పర్ క్యాష్ బుక్. ఓకే, హౌ మచ్ ఇస్ ద అమౌంట్? 200 it seems. So 200 directly we need to enter that in a outer column. 200. After this you need to keep plus symbol and minus symbol. Okay, so cash book they have given, passbook we need to take that in the priority. Here I am doing rough work. In every problem you need to do the rough work so that it will be useful. So this is the cash book and this is the passbook. Cash book debit side receipts will come, cash book credit side payments will come, passbook debit side withdrawals and expenses will come, passbook credit side deposits will come. Okay, so what we need to do? Priority is a passbook. Passbook ni మనం priority లాగా చూసుకోవాలి, అవునా? నెక్స్ట్, checks deposited. We are depositing the checks but bank did not collected, it seems. 1500. If we are giving checks to bank, where we will enter? In cash book debit side 1500 we are entering. మన బుక్లో 1500 ఎంటర్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. ఎందుకు? మనం చెక్స్ డిపాజిట్ చేసినాం బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర పాస్బుక్ ఉంటుంది, మన దగ్గర క్యాష్ బుక్ ఉంటుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 1500 వేసినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ డెబిట్ అయినప్పుడు పాస్బుక్లో ఇక్కడ 1500 రావాలి కదా, కానీ ఇక్కడ ఈ అమౌంట్ అనేది రాలేదంట. బట్ బ్యాంక్ డిడ్ నాట్ కలెక్టెడ్ ద బ్యాంక్. So here passbook we are having nothing, zero balance we are having. Okay, so according to the cash book is increasing or decreasing? Cash book debit side means it is increasing. Automatically passbook ఏమైతుంది? డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. జీరో ఉంది కదా, జీరో ఎక్కువనా 1500 పెద్దనా? 1500 పెద్ద, దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్. పాస్బుక్ ఈస్ డిక్రీజింగ్. అకార్డింగ్ టు అస్ క్యాష్ బుక్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మనం ఏది ప్రయారిటీగా తీసుకోవాలి? పాస్బుక్ తీసుకోవాలి. పాస్బుక్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్ ఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్? డిక్రీజింగ్. హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిక్రీజింగ్? 1500 we are decreasing. Okay, so same in less column we should write checks. ఇదంతా రాయండి అమ్మా. సో చెక్స్ డిపాజిటెడ్ బట్ నాట్ కలెక్టెడ్ బై ద బ్యాంక్ అని చెప్పేసి ఇక్కడ అంతా రాసేసి ఇక్కడ 1500 ఐఎమ్ పుట్టింగ్. Just you need to enter all the stuff here, matter here. Okay, next, checks issued to Mr. Arjun but not yet presented for payment. We are issuing our checks to Arjun. I am paying, I am issuing a check. If I am issuing a check, where I will return? Here I will return, here I will write. Okay, so how much is the checks amount? 2500. మనము చెక్స్ వేరే వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తున్నాము అంటే మనం క్యాష్ బుక్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ పేమెంట్స్ కదా, మనకి లాస్ కదా, ఇక్కడ వేసేసుకున్నాం. ఇక్కడ 2500 క్రెడిట్ అయినప్పుడు పాస్బుక్లో ఇక్కడ 2500 రావాలి కదా, ఇక్కడ రాలేవంట, జీరో ఉందంట. సో క్యాష్ బుక్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ ఏమవుతుంది? డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పేమెంట్, వీఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్. పాస్బుక్ ఏమవుతుంది? జీరో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, అవునా? సో క్యాష్ బుక్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ ఏం లేవు, డెబిట్ సైడ్ ఏం లేవు, జీరో బ్యాలెన్స్. బట్ హియర్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్, వీఆర్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ద అమౌంట్ ఫ్రమ్ ఆర్ బుక్, but here in passbook nothing, zero. Then passbook is increasing. According to us, what book we want? Passbook we want. Passbook is increasing. How much is the amount? 2500. Here you should write here, checks issued but bank did not collected అని చెప్పేసి 2500 ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? సో ఐ హోప్ దాట్ మీకు అర్థమవుతుందని అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఒకవేళ అర్థం కాకపోతే వీడియోని మళ్ళా చూడండి, యూ విల్ ఈజీలీ గెట్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ డెబిటెడ్ ఇన్ ద పాస్బుక్ ఓన్లీ అంట. వాడే చెప్తున్నాడు డెబిటెడ్ ఇన్ పాస్బుక్. హియర్ ఇన్ డెబిట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ పాస్బుక్ 200 rupees were deducted for the bank charges. If here it is debiting means it should show here, no? సో ఇక్కడ రావాలి కదా 200 కట్ అయిందని చెప్పేసి, ఇక్కడ ఏం రాలేదంట. సో పాస్బుక్లో పేమెంట్ సైడ్ ఏమవుతుంది? డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, బికాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ పేమెంట్, రైట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ డిక్రీజింగ్ ద అమౌంట్. క్యాష్ బుక్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్. ఇది పేమెంట్ కదండి, పేమెంట్ కదా, 200 డిడక్ట్ అవుతుందంటే పాస్బుక్ బ్యాలెన్స్ ఏమవుతుంది? డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. క్యాష్ బుక్లో జీరో ఉంది కాబట్టి ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది. సో వేర్ వి నీడ్ టు రైట్ దిస్ 200? లెస్ కాలమ్. హియర్ ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ 200. వాట్ వీ నీడ్ టు రైట్? చెక్స్, బ్యాంక్ చార్జెస్ అని చెప్పేసి రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్, ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అలౌడ్ బై ద bank, it seems. Interest allowed by bank is getting the interest. So it is a withdrawal or a deposit. Here I am writing 100 rupees. Bank is getting the interest of 100 rupees. ఇక్కడ క్రెడిట్ అయినప్పుడు మన క్యాష్ బుక్లో డెబిట్ సైడ్ చూపించగలే కదా, ఇక్కడ జీరో చూపిస్తుందంట. ఓకే, సో పాస్బుక్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్ మీన్స్ డిపాజిట్, మీన్స్ అమౌంట్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజింగ్. But here it is a zero. Cash book balance is decreasing. According to the question, what book we want? Passbook balance is important. Passbook balance is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. So that's why I will put that amount 100 rupees in a add column 100 here. What you will write here? This one you will write. Interest allowed by bank, like that you will write here. Okay. Next. Insurance premium directly paid by the bank as per the standard instructions. Bank is paymenting. ఇన్సూరెన్స్ ప్రీమియం అనేది బ్యాంక్ పేమెంట్ చేస్తుంది. బ్యాంక్ పేమెంట్ చేస్తుందని అంటే రిసిప్టా ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్? అది ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్. హౌ మచ్? 500. సో పాస్బుక్లో డెబిట్ సైడ్ 500 అనేది డిడక్ట్ అయిపోయినది అమౌంట్. ఇఫ్ హియర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ డిడక్టింగ్ మీన్స్ వీ విల్ గెట్ ఎ మెసేజ్ హియర్, రైట్? If it is a debit means you will in credit side we will get 500 message, but here nothing message has came, it seems. Here 500 ఏమవుతుంది? డిక్రీజ్ అవుతుంది, because it is a withdrawal payment, right? So passbook is decreasing, cash book is increasing. According to us, what book we want? Passbook we want. Passbook is decreasing. How much it is decreasing? 500 it is decreasing, because insurance premium was paid by the bank. Okay, so last one over. So after this, how we need to do? Calculate 2000, like this you need to do. 2500 plus 100, 2600. 2600 plus 200, 2800. Okay, next here 1500 plus 200 plus 500, that is 2200 students. Okay, so 2800 లకెళ్ళి 2200 minus చేస్తే ఎంత 600. Okay, we are deducting that. So what is this amount is called? Balance as per passbook. So here they have given cash book balance. We have inquired about the passbook balance as per passbook 600. That's simple. This is called BRS problem, so which is easily asked in a short. Okay, so next I will discuss, you just practice that. Okay, so what is that question means. And one more thing students, I want to tell you all this. BRS is prepared on that particular month only. In every month BRS will be prepared. So if any transactions related to the next month means, you should not take the transactions. For example, here they have given 30th June 30th June they have given. For example, they have given check were withdrawn from bank on July 1st. Then you need to you should not take the transaction, only the transactions which is related to the 30th June, that only you should take it. Okay, so here balance as per passbook they have given. What is the priority book we need to take? Cash book we need to take as a priority. Okay, passbook balance as per passbook 1,50,000, we have put that in a outer column, right? Next, two checks here, two checks of 4,530 and 1,520 issued on 25th June. It seems we are preparing for June. Here also we have issued on the June, but it were presented for payment on July in the bank. So this is the cash book, this is the passbook. If we are issuing the check means cash book credit side we will write 4,530, 1,520. So if here it is crediting means it should be get debited in the passbook, right? But here zero amount is there, it seems. Okay, so cash book is decreasing because it is a payment, right? Decreasing. Passbook is increasing. According to us, what book we want? Here it is given passbook, then we need to take cash book as a priority. Cash book is decreasing. How much it is decreasing? 4,530 plus 1,520. How much total it will be? 6,050. So it is decreasing. Cash book is decreasing. That's why we are putting that amount in a less column. Okay students, hope you are getting my point. Next, a check of 1,150 sent to the bank for collection was not entered in the passbook till 30th June. We have sent a check to the bank for collection, it seems. So we have sent that amount, whatever it is having, 1,150. So we are sending the check. It is a receipt for us. 1,150 we are sending. If here in cash book we are debiting means in passbook it should show here, right? But here it is a zero, it seems. Cash book balance is increasing because it is a receipt. Passbook balance is decreasing. According to us, which book we want? Cash book we want. Cash book is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. That's why we have put that amount here in the addition side. Okay, next, bank allow rupees 100 as interest. So bank got interest, it seems. In passbook credit side 100 rupees we have got as a interest. So passbook balance is increasing. Here we are not having any amount. Okay, it is decreasing. So cash book is decreasing. So that's why we have put that amount in a negative side. Okay, because cash book is decreasing. No, how much it is decreasing? 100 rupees. Next, 460 as a bank commission and charged. Bank has charged 460 for his commission. Bank charged means passbook debit side 460 rupees. Okay, so passbook debit side is decreasing, cash book is increasing. According to us, which book we want? Cash book we want. Cash book is increasing or decreasing? Increasing. How much it is increasing? 460 we are increasing. Okay, that's it. 1150 plus 460 is equal to 1610. So if we are adding with 1,50,000 means 1,51,610. Just we need to deduct this amount from this. Then last what we will get, 1,45,460. Here they have given passbook. We have calculated the amount for the cash book. Okay, bank balance as per passbook, bank balance as per cash book. This is the answer. Okay students, for this purpose only they will give 12 marks. Okay, so next you just try this as a homework. So what it is there, checks amounting to 1,500 were deposited in the bank, but only 4,500 only cleared, it seems. This is the thing I need to tell you all. So here students, bank balance as per passbook, how much? 45,000. We have put that amount in the outer column, 45,000. Next, checks amounting 1,500 were deposited in the bank, it seems. 1 minute. This is cash book, this is passbook. Debit side, credit side, debit side, credit side. Here what happened? 10,500 were deposited in the bank. Okay, so but only checks of 4,500 were only cleared up, it seems. So we have deposited 10,500. మనం 10,500 అమౌంట్ కలిగిన చెక్స్ అనేది బ్యాంక్లో డిపాజిట్ చేసినాము. బట్ బ్యాంక్ హ్యాస్ కలెక్టెడ్ ఓన్లీ 4,500 and remaining whatever we are having that 6,000 rupees check that they have didn't collected, it seems. Okay, checks deposited but not collected in the bank. So then what will be the thing? We are issued checks. How much checks we have issued? 10,500. We will enter the 10,500 in debit side of our book, cash book. But here it is debiting, means in passbook it will be credit, no? So how much it is it has only taken means 4,500, and remaining 6,000 means it has didn't collected, it seems. Okay, సో మనము 10,500 వర్త్ గల చెక్స్ బ్యాంక్లో డిపాజిట్ చేస్తే బ్యాంక్ వాళ్ళు ఓన్లీ 4,500 చెక్సే తీసుకున్నారు. రిమైనింగ్ 6,000 అనేది ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ ఎంటర్ కాలేదు. సో దట్స్ వై విల్ ప్రిపేర్ బీఆర్ఎస్. Okay, so according to the question, what book we want? Passbook they have given, cash book we want. Okay, so cash book is increasing, 10,500 debit side it is increasing, but passbook is decreasing because 6,000 is not there, no, it is decreasing. So according to us, what book we want? Cash book. Cash book is increasing. Okay, so that's why I'm giving that 6,000 in an increasing column. Okay, how much we are అంటారు, ఏ అయితే 6,000 ఉందో అది ఎందులో బ్యాంకులోకి రాలేదు, 10,500 పేమెంట్ చేస్తే 4,500 కలెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం. రిమైనింగ్ 6,000 ఓన్లీ we need to enter that in a add column. Okay, same checks amounting to 1,000 15,000 were issued. Checks issued అంటే cash book credit side 15,000. Here it is over, right? 15,000 ఇక్కడ క్రెడిట్ అయినప్పుడు ఇక్కడ డెబిట్ కావాలి కదా. బట్ చెక్స్ ఆఫ్ 5,100 వేర్ నాట్ ప్రజెంటెడ్ ఫర్ పేమెంట్. సో 5,100 ఏదైతే ఉందో అది పేమెంట్ ప్రజెంట్ కాలేదంటే ఇక్కడ 5,100 వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ హ్యావింగ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ నాట్ ప్రజెంటెడ్ ఫర్ పేమెంట్, ఇట్ సిమ్స్. We have issued checks of 1,500. In that 15,000, 5,100 were still it is a stopping. Okay, still payment ki inka raledu. So cash book is increasing or decreasing? Cash book is decreasing, whereas passbook is increasing. Cash book decrease aitundi kabatti manamu ikkada 5,100 minus side lo eskuntunnamu. How much it is didn't collected for the payment? 5,100. That's why we are putting that in a less column. Okay, next in the passbook there was a credit of 300 anta. So passbook credit side 300 వచ్చిందంట. So that's why I'm putting there. And for interest and investment and debit, interest on investment and debit of 75 rupees for charges, and debit ఏమో 75 rupees ఉందంట. 75 rupees for bank charges. Okay, so according to this first one, passbook is increasing because credit side is increasing, no, cash book is automatically decreasing. So ఈ 300 ఎక్కడ వేసుకోవాలి, decreasing కాడ వేసుకోవాలి. Next, passbook is decreasing because it is a minus amount. Debit side means withdrawals and expenses. Passbook is increasing, so that's why we are putting that in a add column. Okay students, like this you need to enter that. I hope that you have got clarity about the BRS. Okay, so this is the basic method of the BRS problem, students. Okay, so this is all about the video, students. I hope that you have got clarity about the BRS problem. Mostly they will ask this type of questions only in your previous year question paper also. They have asked this type of questions only. So whatever the thing is there, just be perfect with this. And one more method will be there, my overdraft method. That also I will explain in my next video. After this video you will find that video. Okay, try to watch that. If you are watching these two videos means you can easily attempt one long questions pakka for 12 marks. Okay, so this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and group. If you think this video is worthy means, then do like, share and subscribe. Then it will be motivates me to do more videos. And do comment me in the comment section whether my explanation is understandable to you or not. Okay, so that I will improve myself to guide you more. Okay, once again, all the very best, students. See you all next video. Bye bye.